Have you played with the Citrus Blooms stamp set yet? It is absolutely perfect for the summer season, and there's still lots of time to grab it and play with it before summer is over. Now, the card I'm making here is inspired by our annual catalog, and if you go to the page where this stamp set is pictured, I basically took a lot of the basic layout idea for this here, and then I just jazzed it up a little bit. So all I did is just stamp the image there onto the peach pie cardstock. And now I'm just layering up some of the designer series paper that goes with the pack. And I will add on a sentiment and a couple of dies from the matching die set as well. But all in all, it's a really easy card layout, and I love the orange color. It's just really pretty and fun for the summer. So I will have all of the close-up pictures and details on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and it will be on there for you. I just love how this all turns out. And it shows you how you can just change up the colors a little bit and get your basic layout idea from another card. I love that I don't always have to come up with all the ideas myself. So there it is. And we'll add on a few of the gems from the suite of products there. And I love how this pulls out the navy. So thanks so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope that you'll hop on over to my website, and I'll see you soon.